Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean capture pipeline. Install OBS Studio if you don't have it, and place a 3D LUT QB file where you can find it. Once done, launch Valorant in borderless or windowed mode so OBS can capture reliably. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and that OBS captures the game as a game capture or window capture source. This prevents color shifts before grading and ensures the LUT will be applied to the full frame without overlays interfering. You now apply the color grade in OBS. Select your game source, add the color correction filter, and choose the lookup table option to load your cube file. Once loaded, make incremental adjustments to contrast, gamma, and saturation inside OBS so skin tones and UI elements remain readable. Use a second preview monitor or local recording to compare before/after. If you stream, lower bitrate slightly if colors add complexity. Make sure OBS isn't saturating highlights or crushing shadows during motion. Finish by recording a series of short test clips at your final resolution and frame rate, then review them full screen to verify color balance, UI legibility, and motion artifacts. If you see banding or stutter, lower your color depth or change encoder settings and retest. If the LUT looks wrong, remove filters and reload the cube or try a different LUT. As a key troubleshooting tip, update OBS and GPU drivers before deep troubleshooting and revert to a simple neutral LUT to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.